Don't chew.
That until after we seen the surgeon and they thought that it was
Ow!
accidental on purpose, that he couldn't be in home with him. So we didn't allow him to go home with
And
us.
did they ever determine it was accidental?
Ow.
It just says in the report from the hospital.
You chew and that's what hurts.
Suspicious story.
All right, let's figure out the injury.
Ow! Ow! That would hurt. That was my knuckle. Stop chewing. Stop chewing.
What's going on? Why don't you want to come up?
Oh, you're kissing me. Ow, don't bite the elbow. That hurts. Ow, that's my elbow.
At the future.
If you weren't guilty, you'd get out on that space.
You're so mean. You're so mean.
So you need to figure out how they got there.
You're concerned about the bruises, right? Well, that's why we're doing the story. We want to find out who's abusing your child.
I'm not putting no bruises on here.
Well, fine. Then come out here. Let's find out who's doing it.
Ah,
You're
my
the
elbow.
father. You gotta get tough.
Ow! Ow! You chew and it hurts.
If you're not guilty, you're gonna pass
You want
the
to
test.
protect your child.
Ow!
You're here because we're trying to help you. You're gonna hide back here backstage, or you're gonna go out there and fight for your son.
Ow.
We're gonna talk about burning hands, whether you like it or not. I know you say that's the past, but when a child burns both hands, yeah, I want to know how that happened. I'm crazy like that.